My name is Patrick Armstrong. I work for a public K-12 school district north of Milwaukee. We're a really tiny department in a middle-sized school district. We've been using right-click tools for a lot of years. So then when Recast kind of started supporting it on their own, obviously it was a shoo-in that we go directly with them right away. The synchronization of the data between the devices that are in Configure Manager versus what's in our Active Directory environment, just making sure all that data is clean. It was able to hand that off to a coworker of mine and make it really simple for them, and and it's a routine task that's very simple for it to manage. Me personally, I think the feature that I use the most often, and I know this is silly because it's so simple, is just a remote control to a user's device based on logged in users. I think a lot of what happens there is Config Manager is capable of so much that the right-click tools just puts the features that I really need to use daily, maybe hourly or minutely some days, just right there. So it makes it super simple for me to just go in and help people whenever they call. Sign up for a demo, sign up for a trial, give it a shot. I guarantee it's going to make some of the workloads that you have a little bit more streamlined and save you time.